What's going on YouTube? It's been a while. We're gonna do a quick install video for today. I hope everybody's staying safe out there through this pandemic. Hope things go back to the way they were soon. So yeah, let's get this video going. Here's a little look at the car. Nothing's really changed. I don't know if I put this clip in a video or not. Probably not, but we'll go through a walk around. I have more parts coming on the way, so once those all are installed, we'll do a full walk around. But yeah, it's the garage, so yeah, let's see what we got for the install for today. Picked up a Hybrid Racing shift boot collar. I know all you 9th gen guys out there have that saggy shift boot collar, so yeah, pick up one of these. Various brands make them, but I went with the Hybrid Racing one. Seems like pretty good quality here. Focus. I went with black because I like to keep things simple in the interior. And they do make these for all Hondas. Pretty cool little detail, you know, adds a little OEM plus look to it. So yeah, let's get this installed. I also picked up a Buddy Club seat recently. It's used. I'm gonna do a video on how to revive it. It is a little faded, so I'm gonna, you know, redo this whole seat, make it look brand new again. But that's for another video. But yeah, let's get to this. So for all you 9th gen guys out there, you guys know about this saggy shift boot. What happens is the OEM collar in there, it breaks, and yeah, it won't go back up. So yeah, let's get this going. So first thing we gotta do is remove the shift knob. I have an aerogenic shift knob, so when you have a factory shift knob, you gotta use a wrench to remove it. So now that the shift knob's out of the way, we got to take the center console off. What I'm going to use is what I use for like putting decals on. You can use whatever, but I don't want to mess up or scratch the interior of my car. So I'm going to use one of these to slide it in between and pull up on the console. So let me set you guys down right here real quick. Hopefully you guys can see. So you want to just pull upon it like that, and it pops off. So yeah, you go around it like so, kind of just get in between there and it'll pop off. Just be careful not to break any of the clips. Oh yeah, it's also put your e-brake up because you won't be able to get this off without the e-brake up. And then yeah, comes off. And let's get that shift boot or the collar installed. So once you have the console off, you can either take the boot off or you can just push back on it like this, so it's exposed, and then you're gonna want to cut this off. So let me find something to cut this off with, and then we'll install the new collar. Let me sit you guys down real quick. So now that it's off, pretty simple. It's pretty easy to install. You just pull the little ring off. See how the OEM one breaks? And that's how you get that shifter boot sag. Yeah, let's install the new one and we'll put it back in the car. So when you open the collar, all this is together, so you gotta pull this rubber piece off and then take take this off because this will go on last, and you'll slide this one on top of it. Focus. See, I installed mine like this, so I have the hybrid racing facing like that when I'm driving. Pretty nice piece here. And then what you're going to want to do is flip it around and then put the band on the other side. So once you set it to your liking, you just pull the shift boot back how you had it before, and then we'll go back into the car. So once you have it back in, this piece, it just screw it down. And this what keeps it up. It attaches to your shifter like how a shift knob would, and then it snaps into the collar to keep it from sagging. And then this fits all on the shifters. And then once you have it all the way down, you just pull up on it, it snaps right into place. And I do have the black shift knob to go with it. It just hasn't arrived in the mail yet, but I wanted to install this because the shift boot kind of bothered me that it always sagged. So yeah, let's put the shift knob back on, and that's it. And there we have it. Adds a nice touch to the interior, I must say. So yeah, that goes for today's video. Kind of short, but just want to keep you guys updated. Hope everyone's staying safe out there, you know. Hopefully things go back to normal soon, I hope. And yeah, merch is currently down, but we will start selling merch again. I'm currently rocking the drivenkraft OG long sleeve. Give us a follow on Instagram at drivenkraft, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.